after they make a basket, they have to sprint down and defend the transition because of quick inbound by ROS.
Cedric Bearfield gets his 5 to shoot para dito sa Bossing. Bearfield on the breakdown, spin pass out, Barkley, another one! Si King, yung import nito, umi-score ng 50, 60.
Tama, yun ngayon, napunta sa San Miguel. Chance once again for Blackwater to score another basket.
Fuller gusto ring mag-ingay, tutulong si Barkley, they go across, tapik naman niya ni Bearfield. Ilagan on the push, they go to Austria! Gets the basket, may kasama bang foul?
Oh, this team is losing with so much.
Barkley. 21-8 start now para dito sa Blackwater Boston. Fuller inside, taken away. Bearfield with yet another stop. Demusiski takes it strong to the cup. Barkley is beat by Nocum to the rock. Adrian slicing through, kicks it over. Bearfield with another stop. Mamu trying to chase it down. Barkley on the move over to Bearfield. Nice unselfish play on the part of the Blackwater import.
Napapawisan itong si Asistio, kaya hindi niya mag-grip yung bola ng maganda.
Yan. Gulat ako yun. Nice power move there by Trotter. Ilagan, same pa rin.
Lumalim itong rotation ng point guard ng Coach Patrick Quino dahil nga sa pagbabalik ni RK Ilagan.
And the shotgun knocks it down. Ilagan pull up. Go.
So much better. You score off. So nung nakita nilang konekta, 20 puntos yata yan in the first quarter alone or 18 in the first quarter alone, nagkaroon ngayon ng kumpiyansa. Even Bearfield is no longer like the focal point on defense. Medyo nakakahinga siya dahil lang focus ngayon dito kay Barkley.
Another stop on Bearfield with 8 points so far. Looking to attack Nocum here. Make that 6 pa lang para kay Bearfield. Ngayon 8 na sa Blackwater on 25 made field goals. RK gets it done himself.
Ganun kumilos kung gusto niyang makagoal. Itong goal din para rito kay RK Ilagan and is gonna troop to the free throw line to shoot his bonus free throw after this timeout.
Ibigay muna dito kay Bearfield. Cedric got rid of Villegas. 3 ball is good.
But still, 3.1 seconds remaining. Let's see if he can make this basket. Back-to-back hits for Bearfield from Rainbow Country. Lalo na matagal hindi naging sayo. Tapos namamaga yung kanyang leg. Knee, di ba? Eh, hindi kinakailangan eh. Dahil kung ganyang hinihigop ng bola yung rim. Napakaaga pa. Wag mo na.
Day 2 pa lang ng Governor's Cup eh. Hinahanapa mo na ng challenge. RK, no problem. RK again. Bang! Eh ngayon, everybody healthy. And they are looking good. Bearfield to the cup. Bearfield against Malonzo. 10 to shoot for the guys in red. Cedric, 3 ball, good.
Keep playing tough defense. Pagdating sa offensa, keep that discipline, the flow, and the rhythm, and not rush into your shots. Balik sa inyo.
Sana ng alley-oop eh. Okay lang pala.
Eh, di sana ngayon ang lamang nila 33. Okay lang ba dapat? 31 dapat. Tama, 33. Felt like in the previous offensive executions for them, they're just hurrying their shots. This is a good look because it's coming off a set screen against Rainer Shine last to Painters. Remember last conference, 7-0 ang panimula.